Hi there. My name's Austin, and I'm going to be talking about the emergence of 3D printing for my IT 103 research paper, and as well as my website. Okay, so what is 3D printing? Well, first I'm just going to put it this way to you. So just imagine if one were able to think of something right off the top of their head and make a drawing of it on their computer, then have it come to life right before their very own eyes. Yeah, I mean, that might sound a little bit like something like from Star Trek, if you will. But with our modern day technology, that is a very real possibility, and we call it 3D printing. And very much like it sounds, 3D printing is the process of printing 3D objects that we can use in everyday life. It can be completed using various objects, such as plastics, glass, metal, sand, wax, and even food. And also we can use human tissue, which is very helpful as well, which will go into the medical side of this. All right, and during this process, one would start out with a block of their chosen material. Then once they have the materials, the next step is to create a file of the object that the person would like to make through various graphic design software programs. And once you create that file, the program would be connected to the 3D printer, and an object is constructed by following a computer design layer by layer. Alright, so 3D printing has a complicated background with the breakthrough of various methods of manufacturing that are commonly used today. And just like that, we're going to start talking about the background. Alright, so sure, the 3D printing field did not begin as such, but there are different methods of printing available for use. The two most popular ones are going to be SLS, which stands for Selective Laser Sintering, and there's also going to be FDM, which is Fuse Deposition Modeling. And both of those each have their perks. They're always helpful at times, and a few have got their downfalls as well. That's just part of it. Okay, and the 3D printing field can be open to a very wide range of practices, ranging from personal use that would cost roughly $250 to as much as $200,000. Excuse me. That's for a much larger scale business. But also, because this is becoming more popular, the prices are going to decrease very, very lower. Very drastic changes. Alright, there's also issues with the ethics of this, because say for example that you want to make a let's see. Yep, there's many issues with it, because this has been given the nickname counterfeiting on steroids for obvious reasons. A good comparison of this is almost as to what Napster is to pirating music. You can use this to create anything. For example, what if a person buys a toy car, they make it through printing, and then they sell it for personal profit? That would be pirating. That's illegal. That's just one example of it. And that would surely cause up legal issues. Many, many lawsuits. People are going to sue each other. And now we're going to talk about the security concerns. What if you want to print a gun, for example, that's not cleared by government policies? That would not go too well. And this has many benefits as far as social, this will help save us a lot of money. This will be a good generator of money as well, for obvious reasons. and it has a very, very bright future, which again, for obvious reasons. Uh, a main company that is starting to use this is Hewlett Packard, which is more commonly known as HP. They are a computer giant. All right, and to conclude on these short thoughts, there's a very bright future with this, and like sure, there's a few downfalls, but those can be overlooked. Thank you.